Hello and welcome back everyone to the first bonus of the series Meta Ads for e-commerce. And today we're going to see which tools you can use to actually spy on your competitors and get ideas to make the next winning Facebook ad. There's an amazing book called Steal Like an Artist that I read recently, and this book basically talks about how all the big art that you see out there are actually stolen from one thing or the other. It says that most of the artists steal, and stealing is not that bad. You take inspiration from someone else's work and you put in your own creativity to make something good, and that is exactly what a lot of advertisers also do. We look at other people's ad creatives to get inspired, to see what other people are doing, and then we put in our own creativity, our own touch, our own dash of magic to create something superb. And that is what we're going to see today here, which tools can help you get a creative knack and an idea about how to go ahead with your ad creatives. So without wasting any more time, let's directly get into it. And we are here. So actually we don't need the ads manager for this. All you have to do is just go to Google and write Facebook ads library. Click on the first option that appears, and this is our first tool. The name of the tool is of course Facebook ads library, and the best part is this is given to us by Meta itself. And through this you can see what your competitors or what any brand in the world is advertising. You can see what ads they're using, and by using a little bit of your brain you can also see for how long they've been using it. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on all ads, and let's search the name of any brand. Let's say, for example, let's click on Friday Charm. I don't know, maybe I must have searched this before, so I just open it up. And as you can see, I can see, okay, they're running an ad for this particular perfume. It's a perfume brand. They're running ads for this perfume. Once I go into it, I can see 100% customer satisfaction. They're running a testimonial ad, right? It's a carousel actually. They're putting different testimonials together. Now, some more of it, I can see. Okay, again, a normal catalog ad, another catalog ad. Okay, this looks something nice. They're having a 30% off sale going on, and they're advertising that, right? See, this will inspire you as to how you can also create your own creatives, right? You can look at it and you can see, oh, they're talking about something in particular. Maybe I can use my own creativity to create something new from this. Again, I don't promote straight away blatant copying, because it's actually not nice. Someone put in the work. What you can do is you can actually get inspired from it, and having your own sense of creativity is always important. That is what we want here. Go down and we see only 2950. Here they're talking about the price, right? You can see all the ads here. Now, one thing to notice, you can also see when did this ad start running. So this ad started running on 21st December. Today is 7th January. I think it's close to, let's say, 16-17 days, right? So we know that this ad is performing decently well, because otherwise they wouldn't be running it, right? This is just a hypothesis, and this can lead you somewhere. We go further down, we see, okay, November 16th, this has been running for close to 2 months, so maybe this ad is also doing well. This type of creative is doing well, right? So this is how you actually analyze whether a creative is doing well or not. Let's take another brand, for example. Let's take Mama Earth, a very renowned brand, but let's see what they're doing. See, they're running a lot of UGCs, as we can see. This one started running on 6th Jan, so it's just too early to see, to judge whether this one is performing well or not.
All the celebrities' lipstick looks, they have my heart. They apply lipstick in a way
Right? You can check it. You can try to create something similar if you're in a similar niche. We'll try to go a little down, because we want to see the ads that are winning, that have been running for quite a lot of time. So okay, as you can see, let's take this one. This started running on 6th December. It's been exactly a month, so maybe it's doing well. That is why they're
रेगुलर
running it.
मॉइस्चराइजर से ऑयली स्किन इश्यूज
This is
सोल्यूशन है ना
some actress. I'm not so sure, but I've seen her somewhere. But this is a very polished ad. Of course, you cannot create something like this, but you can create similar, right? So that is the point here. You can take inspiration from this. You can take inspiration from this
Winter
one.
is almost here, but
This is
so is
something that
dry
you can
and dull
create
skin.
yourself as a founder.
Hey, so you back?
Similar with this, right? So I hope you understand how to actually use it, how to actually use Facebook ads library. You can use filters, you can search via keywords, and let's say you don't want to see a brand, you just want to see a product. For example, let's say beard oil. You want to search about beard oil, you can just search beard oil as well, and you'll be able to see all the ads which contain the keyword beard oil, either in their ad copy or the product. See, this is talking about beard oil.
Clean shaved guy or a beard guy? Beard
See,
guy. Who's
beard
beard
growth
guy?
oil.
Beard.
That's why
Pure
we're
beard.
able to
అసలు దాని వల్ల
see
ఏమైనా
this.
యూజ్ ఉందా?
అందరు యావరేజ్ ఫేస్ అంటుండే
Right, again this one.
बियर्ड का
Urban
ख्याल नहीं
Gabru
रखते,
beard
बियर्ड
care.
रूखी सूखी रहती है या फिर पैची बियर्ड। आप एक अच्छा सा बियर्ड ग्रोथ ऑयल बूस्टर यूज करो, जैसे कि ये है अर्बन गबरू का, हफ्ते में 3 से
Right. See, amazing. You can take inspiration from these ads, right? What they're doing. Maybe you can create something similar if you're in the same niche. Yeah. So that's how you actually use Facebook Ads Library. Just one thing: make sure that you've selected the right country. If you want a worldwide range, select all. And if you are searching for something political, if in case you are, just select on issues, elections, or politics. So you'll be able to see all the ads by these political parties, etc. Now, our next tool is actually a paid tool, and the name of the tool is foreplay.co. On enter. This is the second tool. This is a paid tool, of course. Let's see the pricing of this. There's $49 per month. There are two packs, $49 per month, and there's a full workflow, which is $99 Indian rupees. I think it's around 8,000 rupees or something, right? You get one user access. You can see all of this here. I'm not going to go through all of them. Only difference is here you get AI briefs and some more features, extra features. Client profile, you can create different client profiles. You can have script writing, you can have storyboarding, etc., etc. The advantage of this tool over Facebook Ads Library is Facebook Ads Library is just a point to give you, to show you what all ads are running, but this can actually take care of your entire flow of making an ad. You can see what people are running, and you can actually have a proper structure to make your own ads. We're gonna see this. We're gonna see a free trial. I'm just gonna log into it. So once you sign up for that free trial, this is what you can see. There are different sections of the software: discovery, brief, swipe file, dashboard. And discovery works same as Facebook Ads Library. You can search different ads, or you can see the most trending one, as we can see here, from different brands across the globe. This is another UGC. This I think is for the pants, if I'm not wrong. Actually, I couldn't make out what this ad is about, so I think that is not a very good ad, since I might be falling under their target audience. Anyway, see, this is another static ad, very simple. Game-changing vegan shake, ultra smooth, high in protein, 89 calories. Just listing out the benefits, simple, high quality picture. This is an amazing ad, right? Even when you're swiping through, because of the colors, because of golden and black standing out, it looks royal and it might grab your attention, right? What we can do is we can check out the entire thing, as in what is their ad copy, when did they start running it. Again, same thing, 63 days and they're still running it, which means it's probably working for them. This gives you more idea as to what the CTA is, right? What is the landing page? You can of course see it, similar to Facebook Ads Library, right? You can see, oh, this is the landing page. When you click on inspect, you can further see the landing page properly, right? And the best part is, what you can do is you can save this ad. You can save this ad to a swipe file, as we call it, and maybe you have a system where you go through all the new ads for like an hour a day. Okay, you see all the ads that you like, you save it in the swipe file, and when you are sitting down to actually make ads for your own brand, you can see them here, right? Similarly, see, we've saved it, so we have it here in the swipe file. This helps you a lot, okay? Because if you're sitting to make ads without any reference, you're gonna struggle. Creativity does not come out of thin air. Contrary to what people think, creativity does not come out of thin air. That is why a swipe file helps you a lot in making sure that you have a proper workflow. Now, this is of course a paid tool. Like I said, I have mentioned the link down below in the description. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link. I will probably get a commission if you start using it. And I just wanted to disclose it so that you guys know what I'm promoting. Overall, it's a great tool. If you have money, make sure you get it, because this will help you and your creative team make proper decisions when it comes to creatives. These are the two tools. They're very popular. A lot of people use it, and I highly recommend that you use it as well. So, full disclosure, these are the only two tools that I use to make ad creatives for my clients at Salt Media, and it works wonders. These are the only two tools that you need to make killer ad creatives when it comes to meta ads. That was all. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. My channel has actually been growing pretty steadily, and I'm really happy to see it. Some of the videos are getting great views, at least for me, and I'm really happy. So if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up so I can see that maybe what I'm putting out is helping others. And I hope to see you in the next video, which will be our last video of this series, which will be our last bonus. And after that, we'll see what kind of videos we'll be making. Thank you so much for coming here, and I hope to see you guys in the next video as well.